Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best chopsticks. So let's get started. Number 7. Goldage Fiberglass Chopsticks. These chopsticks by Goldage are a bestseller for a reason. They're the perfect combination of stylish and sturdy at a great price point. Made of food-safe fiberglass, these are super lightweight and durable. They won't bend, melt, or crack. The Chinese-style silhouette means they are rounded at the tips with a square body to prevent rolling on the table. The tips also have some texture to them to provide some grip when picking up noodles or flipping pan-fried tofu. The sleek black finish will retain its look for years, even with daily use and washing. Number 6. HuaLan Japanese Natural Wood Chopstick. The HuaLan Natural Wood Chopstick set comes with 5 pairs of Japanese-style chopsticks, each made from different types of wood: rosewood, ebony wood, boxwood, chestnut wood, and cherry wood. Crafted from natural wood and varnished with eco-friendly, food-grade lacquer, these delicately tapered chopsticks are a beautiful addition to any dinner table setting. Just shy of 9 inches long with a textured surface, these provide plenty of control for picking up your favorite sushi rolls or tempura, though the pointed tips might be a little challenging for less experienced users. Number 5. Totally Bamboo Twist Chopsticks. For those who want an eco-friendly option, these chopsticks from Totally Bamboo are a perfect choice. Made from hand-twisted bamboo, they are incredibly sturdy and easy to clean. Simply wash by hand or wipe them down with a damp cloth. The twist detail adds a little bit of grip assistance, and their 9.75-inch length is great for digging into a deep bowl of ramen noodles or hot pot. Bamboo is a renewable resource that doesn't require pesticides or clear-cutting. Entire forests can regenerate within 5 years, so these chopsticks are not only gorgeous, but they're also better for the environment than many other options. Number 4. Hiware Reusable Metal Chopsticks. Metal chopsticks are a stylish option that will appeal to those with contemporary tastes. Made of food-grade stainless steel, this style from Hiware has a spiral thread design along the handle that makes it anti-slip. The tapered ends have grooves that provide a little grip assistance when it comes to grabbing food, and the metal construction lends itself to use with hot dishes or while cooking. Eco-friendly, odorless, and more durable than wood, you can clean these easily by simply hand washing or running through the dishwasher. Number 3. Snow Peak Wabuki Chopsticks. These Japanese-designed chopsticks are an elegant and functional option for those who want to bring their own reusable chopsticks for workplace lunches or while on the road. Made of bamboo and stainless steel, the Wabuki chopsticks by Snow Peak have an innovative nesting design that allows the wooden half to slide inside the steel section and collapse to a length of 4.5 inches. The bamboo tip is naturally microbial, making it ideal for camping or road tripping when hand washing isn't always immediately available. Just wipe down well with a wet cloth. Number 2. HuaLan Fiberglass Alloy. If you're in search of a Chinese restaurant-style chopstick to use at your own family dinners, try these fiberglass alloy chopsticks by HuaLan. At nearly 10 inches long, these chopsticks provide extra reach to grab that last dumpling or piece of roast pork from across the table. This longer length also lends itself well to cooking, and the fiberglass construction withstands heat up to 400 degrees, great for plucking wontons or tempura out of a deep fryer. The non-absorbent material helps prevent staining or retaining odors and makes them easy to clean. They're dishwasher safe, too. The textured treatment at the end of the chopsticks provides a better grip on the food, while the grooves on the top act as a non-slip feature for your hand. Number 1. CiboWares Disposable Bamboo. These bamboo chopsticks by CiboWares are a convenient option for parties, picnics, and packed lunches. You won't need to worry about splintering when breaking them apart, as each pair comes already separated and wrapped in a paper sleeve that also has usage instructions, a fun feature for beginners. For a single-use product, this is a fantastic sustainable choice. They're made of bamboo, an easily renewable resource. Once you're through with them, you can dispose of them with compostable items since they're completely biodegradable.